Hi, I'm going to walk you through the three main features of Jobsyn: the career mapping feature, the resume builder, and the skill gap analysis feature. I'm going to start with the career mapping. To get started, if this is what you want to do, click on Get Started on the career mapping to match your skill with a career or jobs. Click that and then start putting in your skills. Let's say one of your skills is SQL. You can type it or select it if you see it. And then communication is another one. And then teamwork is another one. If you cannot find it in the list, you can just type it out. And then we have data visualization as another skill. So this is going to show you as you type. So I select data visualization. And then if you have another skill, you can add it. But I'm going to stop here and then map the skills to jobs or career. So if I click on map my skill, it's trying to find matching jobs with the skills we just put in. Now we have all the matching jobs. So Jobsyn says we find the right job that aligns with your skills. So these are all the jobs that you can do with those skills. And the fun part is that you can click on the jobs to see available openings. Let's say I want to see the data visualization specialist job, and you can see the color coding. So the green ones are the perfect match. You can see the percentage match. But if I go to data visualization specialist or data analyst, you can just select anyone that best match what you're looking for. So let's say I click on data analyst. This is going to open up the jobs that are available across the globe, like globally for that job. So it's trying to find a job for me, and these are fully remote jobs, fully remote jobs. So these are all the jobs that are available, and Jobsyn found 19 remote jobs. So we have one in the USA. We have a lot of openings in the USA, and then we have Brazil, Ukraine, Europe, LATAM, and then we have Mexico, Philippines, USA, and then Ukraine, Canada, and so on. This is also UK, and you can click on apply now to apply for the job. So that is one of the key features of the skill mapping. It doesn't just map, it takes you to openings and you can apply to them. And you can see the days that they were posted. This was posted 2 days ago, 4 days ago, 6 days ago, and so on. So that's that for the skill mapping.